Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and our day 2 of our mind clarity and self growth challenge. So before that starting this video, I would like to you guys whoever not watched my previous video just go and watch it and then come to this video so that you will have a mind clarity so that what is going on here. So let's begin and let's come to the topic. So today we are diving into one of the most powerful tool for self healing and self growth, and that I call journaling. Yes, you heard me right, but before that, you should remember that you don't have to be a writer. You just have to be honest with yourself, with your thoughts, that what you're writing, and don't get judged for it. Okay? So you believe that your journal isn't a diary. It's a reflection of your thoughts. It's the mirror to you. It brings your fears, insecurities, your patterns out, and also that stuff which you always kept inside and you can't speak it loud. Also with this, whenever you start writing, you just come to know yourself. Yeah, because yeah, you are just putting your thoughts into a paper and then you can read it afterwards and you see that yes, this is what I am. Now let's see that why it is important and how it helps. So whenever you write any kind of journal, you just slow down your thoughts. You just start reflecting instead of reacting to the things, and you spot your triggers, builds the emotional clarity. And now let me tell you that how you can write a journal. So first thing is that you have to be isolated. Yes, you heard me right, and don't be afraid of being isolated. Just, you know what, being alone isn't a weakness, it's the powerfulness. Okay, it's very powerful when a person know that how to be alone. So yes, you have to do it if you want mind clarity, and you have to get out of that crowd. So let's come back to the topic. Second thing we have that use any notebook, any diary, or any digital platform, whatever feels natural to you, just use any of this. And another thing is that you can set a 5 to 10 minutes timer, and if you are a consistent person, so no need to do that. And if not, so you can have this idea, you can try this idea also, so that it will help you to write. Also the most important thing is that write without any judgment. Nobody's going to read your journal, nobody's seeing your going to see your grammatical mistake, anything else. So just write it freely and make it it's your own reflection. And I will provide you with a prompt in the description, so go check it out so that it will help you that how you can write a journal. Also with this, I would like to tell you that start small. It's very small in the beginning, but it becomes big later words whenever you are being you just being consistent with it. So try any prompt tonight and just come tomorrow, and we will talk about our third day series, and it will